Hi, this is Daniel Thrasher, Senior Content Strategist here at ClickBank. In this video, I'm going to share the 5 best places for you to put affiliate links on your blog to start making money. The most important place to start as a blogging affiliate is knowing where to place your affiliate links once you've generated them. ClickBank is a great place for you to start because it's free to get started, and most of our products let you generate a tracking link without a lot of proven experience or traffic. If you have quality search-optimized content ready to go, then you should definitely make sure you have a way to monetize your blog as an affiliate. I'm going to share with you about in-text links, banners, buttons, and a few other things. The most basic way to monetize your blog is just by including an in-text link to a product. That's where you create a hyperlink out of a word or phrase in your content. And then when readers click it, it takes them to the sales page for the affiliate product. And then of course, if they go on to buy the product, that's when you get the commission. Here are a few quick things to know about in-text links. First of all, they're easy to miss. Most people who are reading your article don't necessarily have a strong urge to click on hyperlink text unless they're really engaged with your content. Second, they work best with a tee-up. All promotion strategies for affiliate products need to begin with some kind of actual promotion. Put yourself in the shoes of a prospective buyer of this product. If you were reading your article and saw a link that doesn't even necessarily identify what it's linking to, would you click? And if you did, would you be ready to buy once you landed on that sales page? Probably not. How do you encourage people to click your in-text link? Here's a few examples of what you could do. One example, I've been working on improving my golf swing for years and I finally have had a breakthrough. This one's good because it's directly related to the affiliate product of the stress-free golf swing, and it invokes some curiosity by focusing on the solution, not necessarily the product. A better example, I actually just had a huge breakthrough in my golf swing thanks to a product I stumbled across called the stress-free golf swing. I had no idea it existed, but my game went from 130 down to 90 after I applied some of the techniques from this course. Highly recommended. This one's good because it actually promotes the product and links to it. And then maybe the best example, in this review, I've touched on how the stress-free golf swing has been a literal game changer for me. Now it's your turn. Click to give it a try for yourself and watch your friends' jaws drop as you start hitting birdies and eagles for every single hole. You won't regret it. Now, here's an example of maybe what not to do. I've played golf for years and it's so much fun. This feels shoehorned in and barely relevant to the product. It also doesn't pre-sell or provide any context about the product, so prospects are much less likely to consume the sales page and actually buy anything. And then another example that maybe isn't so good. My golf swing is so much better after I started taking lessons. Learn more. This is also just kind of randomly inserted with virtually no context. If you don't warm up your audience before sending them to a sales page, they're likely to bounce as soon as they realize they're being sold to. Okay, next we want to talk about banners. Banners are slick images that showcase a product or solution to one of your audience's pain points, usually found in the sidebar or in content between sections. Just like paid ads on Facebook or YouTube, banners work best when they invoke curiosity. Here are a few quick things to know about banners. First, on ClickBank, you can find them on a seller's affiliate support page. Most of the time, they're happy to let you use their banner images for free to help you generate sales for them. This is sometimes called a swipe file. Even if the banner image itself is a call to action, you can still tee it up with the content that comes before or after. Banner images work best with some kind of hook. Sellers usually test hooks to figure out what audiences of their product respond to, so you can use this not only for the image itself, but also in your body copy, encouraging them to click. Callouts are boxes or sections that stand out from the main body of an article. They're sort of like an aside or an advertisement in a magazine between the content and an article, and they can be very useful for promoting an affiliate product. Buttons reinforce the idea that readers should click something. Make sure the color you choose stands out somewhat, but still fits in with your blog's branding. Now, I used to work with a really prominent online marketing blog, and the best practices there for product reviews was to introduce the product first and then place a button with the affiliate link right under that first section using a CTA like try product today or check out product. It's a good idea to add a mention of your product in the navigation menu. Here's a quick example. Once you have several different affiliate products to promote, it's worth creating a recommended tools or recommended resources page. This is essentially a page with a list of all the products that you recommend with affiliate links included under each one. And sometimes you can break it down under the different categories of your products for your audience. I will actually link to an example recommended resources page for you so you can see if this is a page you want to create now or maybe later on once you have more products to promote. Thanks for watching. I hope that video was super helpful. If you want to find out more about where to place your affiliate links in every other step of the process of creating an affiliate blog, just check out the link in the description below.